Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my next Halloween makeup tutorial. Like I said in my last Halloween video that I did, I'm not doing anything like with special effects makeup because I genuinely don't know how to do that yet. So I thought I would just do something quite wearable for a party anyway, something that I would wear, just like the witch one that I did, which you seem to enjoy. So I thought I'd do something different but quite similar in the fact that it's just something wearable for a party. This is what I decided to do. I decided to go for a Cleopatra tutorial. I just kind of took inspiration from, I literally just went on Google Images and just got pictures like from really old like books and stuff of Cleopatra and then just kind of mixed everything together, and then this is what happened. This is the look that I came up with. If you would like to know how I created it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. I've been using the Jefree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette. I feel like it's just the perfect palette. It's got the blue and the gold, everything we need for this look. So I primed my eye already. I used the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the original one, and then I've just set the crease area down with the shade Parched from the Thirsty palette. Literally not even going to go in with a transition colour, we're just going to go straight in with the blue, which is Submerge, which is this guy right here, and I'm literally just going to go straight in with it. I'm going to use this one first just to kind of get the shape where I want the crease to kind of go. Then to start building up the colour, I'm going to just take a more kind of defined and it's a bit more of a denser brush, and I'm just going to keep taking that same shade and then just keep building up the colour. It didn't take me that long to do either, so I'm then just going to go back in with that little brush that I use. It's just a Anastasia brush. I've got no extra products, I'm just going to buff the edges out. Use the Shape Tape from Tarte, and I used the medium one because it's a bit lighter, and then I did just add it there, just along the lash line, and then I did look up just to get the crease line. Took it all the way down to the end of the lid. Really easy to let that dry. I then took Parched, which is the kind of bone coloured shade, and I just tapped this lightly over all the concealer just to help it dry a bit quicker and just set it. Then I used an even more kind of flat, this is like a lid brush I'd say, and I took the blue again and just really defined the cut crease. Okay, then for all over the lid I took the shade Lick, which is this really nice gold here. Right, I still don't know if I'm like applying this wrong, but I use my finger and I feel like I really have to like dig into the shade to get like a good amount of pigment, and then I just pressed it over the lid. I don't know, it just seems a bit dry. I don't know if that's how the formula is supposed to be, I'm not sure, but I'm not the biggest fan of the formula of it. I took my favourite little BH silicone brush and I just picked up a lot of product kind of around the edges of the brush, smaller sides of the brush to just kind of get around the cut crease. I then took the shade Filthy Rich, which is like, I think it's like a pure glitter shade, I don't really know because it's not got a lot of pigment. I took it on a brush, like a normal brush. Picked up a lot of it, to be fair. I went in with this. Just sprayed the brush quickly, just with any spray. Tapped this all over the lid. And for the eyeliner, which I thought was going to be a lot harder than it actually turned out to be. So I'm going to use my little Rimmel eyeliner. It's like the liquid one again. Bring it down like I did in my last Halloween video and just bring the kind of corner just right down here. Because I wasn't sure how to kind of do that little rectangle just with the liner, so I took just a brown eyeliner pencil. This one's by Morphe, it's in the shade Richie, it's just brown, and I use this just to kind of map out the shape of it, being like a little rectangle. to actually go around it with black, I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner because it's a very skinny, there's a very skinny tip to it. I just took my little brush from before, my little silicone brush, and I went in with Lick, which was the first gold I used, and I just filled in the gap. I just went in with Morphe's eyeliner in Harper, it's just a blue. And I used two mascaras for my lashes. I used the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara first, and just use this to kind of lengthen my lashes a bit. Every time, I feel like this wand is so long that it just always ends up on my nose, but that's okay. That I use the Collection Lash Surge Mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my skin with the Elcie Pearl Radiance Primer. Cleopatra needs like an expensive primer. That's the vibe I get for her. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Nars All Day Longwear Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from Nars, and I use Barcelona. For concealer, I've actually really been liking the Jouer High Coverage Concealer. I've been using it since I got it. So I've got the shade Creme Brulee. I do not like blending it out with a sponge. I don't like how it looks. So I have been trying it with a brush and I love it. I really like that concealer. Okay, then to set it all in place, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder. This is the yellow one. Hourglass powder. I've literally been using this every single day since I've got it. And I just like to add just a bit of glow onto this. This is the Luminous Light shade. I'm just going to add this around this area. Then to bronze the skin, something that's quite warm, so I'm going to use the Colourpop and Alexis Ren palette. It's the Topaz palette. I'm going to use the Golden Moment, which is the bronzer, just this shade here. Just bronze everywhere. Oh. Okay, then you know what? I'm going to use this highlight to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner because I didn't do that and I kind of want to. Oh, that's nice. I wanted like a golden highlight, so I'm going to use the Master Chrome from Maybelline. This is the Molten Gold highlight. Line my lips, I'm going to use the LA Girl Cafe lip liner, which needs to be sharpened first. Lipstick, I'm going to use the Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade Appy. It's just a really nice nude. And for gloss, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lip Gloss, I think it's called. I don't know. It's in the shade Dazzle. Is it? Disco Ball. No, it's the Dazzle Lip Gloss or something, and it's in the shade Disco Ball. It just looks like that. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's Halloween video. If you did, then remember to give the video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts of it, if you enjoyed it, if you would wear this out to a party or anything like that. And yeah, make sure that you're subscribed as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!